Friends, today let's solve questions related to circuit theory or network theory in AP ESET 2020 question. So see this question, under the conditions maximum power transfer the efficiency is, so if you remember the power in case of a maximum power transfer theorem is given by VTH is divided by RTH, R Thevenin plus R load into RTH. So simply remember the input power is V Thevenin into I Thevenin, or this is V Thevenin into V Thevenin by 2 R Thevenin, or I can say the input power is V Thevenin square divided by 2 R Thevenin. But if you substitute R Thevenin is equal to R load, the output power is generally V Thevenin square divided by 4 R Thevenin. Now what is the definition of efficiency? It is output power by input power. So simply V square by 4 R Thevenin divided by V square by 2 R Thevenin. This translates to half, or I can say it is just 50%. So the efficiency is only 50% when maximum power transfer is achieved, and this approaches 100% as the load resistance approaches to infinity. Okay. So efficiency also approaches to 100% if the source resistance approaches to 0 and if the load resistance approaches to 0 also. Next, quality factor of a resonance circuit. Every year they are asking the same question. It signifies the loss in a resonant circuit. Basically, what does Q reflect? Q factor basically implies the energy loss within a resonant device. That might be anything from a mechanical pendulum or even electrical circuit. So Q factor shows the energy loss due to the quantity of energy contained in the design. So in case of electronic circuits, the losses are basically caused by the resistance inside the circuit. While this may occur, the main trigger of the resistance inside is the inductor. Although Q factor of the element correspond to losses, it relates directly to the bandwidth of the resonant frequency and its center frequency. Next, so I shall solve all the problems related to this in another video. So in series resonance occurs when, basically resonance occurs at a particular frequency, omega is equal to 1 by LC. This condition derives when your inductive reactance is equal to the capacitive reactance. So this is a condition for resonance. This is when series resonance occurs. So we shall solve the problem in the next video. So Thevenin's theorem is true for only linear networks. Thevenin theorem, what does it state? It is possible to simplify any linear circuit, however complex it is, to an equivalent circuit into a single voltage source and a series resistance R Thevenin. So if you have remembered, as a matter of revision. Okay. So with this, the questions related to concept of circuit theory are completed in 2020 question paper.